Hey, hi, good morning. Uh, Welcome to day 6 of Personal Transformation Challenge. Here I am again at 5:20. Actually, this clock is 5 minutes ahead for our, you know, psychological impact. So, if you want to see, you can see. Uh, how to show you? Yeah, yes. So that's how it is. So I woke up at around 5 uh, and woke up. I mean, I got out of the bed by 5 5. Uh, there was some turbulence in my mind today, and that was very big. For about 2 to 3 minutes, I was thinking about not getting up, and I don't know the reason for it, but what I can tell you is at the time of sleeping, because I slept at around 12:45 yesterday because my son was not sleeping. So I was not able to sleep before him till the time he gets sleep. And also I had certain negative thoughts in my mind at the time of sleeping, and that could be the probable reason for the impact, or say, for this particular turbulence. uh, but yes, this was decided. The personal transformation is inevitable, so there was nothing bigger than this particular goal uh, for me. So after that turbulent action in my mind, I immediately thought that I have been doing it for last 5 days, and if I don't do it on sixth day, I'll have to restart it again, because it is a 30-day challenge. I am going to do it, without breaking, or without giving it a even single day gap. So that is where I got out of the bed and gotten up fresh, and now here I am with you. So today's lesson taught me these three particular things. When you are mindful about your life, you can achieve, or you can do whatever you want to do. If you are determined, dedicated towards the actions that will support your mindfulness to achieve your goal. And the third is being persistent, because that is where entire game lies. So skills, talent will, everything will be uh, taken over by this one single thing, that is persistence. And I strongly started believing in this, because I was not so good in terms of being persistent. I was not consistent. I used to take actions, again take a gap. I used to take action, again take a gap. So this particular was the missing element of my entire life journey so far, of last 35 years. So this is where I thought, if I correct uh, particularly this missing element of my life, which is absolutely a key element, then I don't think there will be any hurdle in managing my own life on my own terms, especially when it comes to uh, physical and mental health. So with this learning today, I'm going to start my morning rituals, and I'm going to see how entire day unfolds. To be very honest with you, yesterday was not so good in terms of uh, in terms of mental health, because I had couple of fights. I was a bit angry on my son 2 to 3 times, and some point of time I realized that I'm not I'm running out of control on my mind. So I stopped, though. However, this particular thought came in my mind. So today I'm planning that I am not going to get angry on anyone, including my son. He's just 3.5 years of age. So uh, looking forward for the beautiful day ahead, and have a nice day to you. Thank you so much for being with me. Thank you.